Welcome everyone, this is Stella Bell of Hive People, and today we are going to get started on peaked.com, that's peakd.com. We're going to learn how to add a profile photo and a background photo. We're going to do our first vote and comment, and we're going to learn how to find and join communities. So the first thing we're going to do is log in to our Hive Keychain extension, and after that you're going to go to peaked.com and hit login and then put your account name in there. Now you'll notice then after you hit the login button, this little window pops up and asks your permission to sign it. So you hit confirm, and you can also mark the little checkbox if you don't want those to pop up anymore. Okay, one of the first things you're going to want to do when you get your new Hive account is set up your profile and your background image. The background image just should be, really long and skinny. I forget the exact things for that, but go ahead and fill out all the information here. If you want, you can always use a fake name or any kind of information really that you want. Please don't impersonate anyone else unless it's a parody account, of course. So you find your images that you would like. Now the profile photo should be a square one. They suggest 512 by 512, but anything is fine, I believe, as long as it's square. And by the way, I only use JPEG images. I think, I don't know if Ping works, but I use JPEGs. So after you've uploaded, you've chosen your files, you're gonna hit that blue button there, and it asks you permission again. Are you sure you want to do this? So hit OK. And after that point, the background image showed up right away, but it took a while. It took like several minutes for the profile photo to show up. Okay, next thing we're going to do is learn how to find and join communities, because whenever you join a brand new social network, it's very lonely. That's why we have communities. Communities are little groups of people with very specialized interests, and they're all run by mods and curators and people that are looking for new members and their content so they can upvote them. You want to be around the people that have the same interests as you. So here's how you join a community. You actually press that little button up at the top that says subscribe. That is essentially joining it. So you hit confirm after that, and you are all set. Now I'm into like weird stuff, art and kind of odd things. So this alien art community was perfect for me. It is run by a friend of mine named Julia K. Ponsford. She's awesome. She's a good curator. So if you're into the same stuff as me, then I would definitely join the Alien Art Hive. So as a review, how you find the communities, you go to the tab communities and you type in what you're searching for. Now, a really good one for beginners is Hive Beginner Tips. Another great community that's getting very active is called Ask the Hive. It's very similar to like a Reddit community or Quora, where you ask questions on a variety of topics and then people answer them. I love that Ask the Hive community because I get a lot of information there and I feel good asking questions. After you have found and joined some communities that you like, it's time to upvote your first post and make your first comment. So you click the little heart button there, and then you can decide how much you want to give them. Now, your vote will be 0 if you don't have much Hive power. So that's just the reality. I think this account has 15 Hive power, and that's not enough to give anyone a penny. But that's a good thing to work up towards. So the next thing is we're going to add emojis. See the little smiley face? Okay, click on that, and then you can click through and find your different emojis. So that's a really cool thing they added. Yeah, so Hive Power, that's another tutorial. Moving right along, now you're going to find people that you like their content, so you're going to learn how to follow someone you like. So I like this post by Julia, so I click on her name, and then her follow button is to the upper right hand. You just click on that. Now you're following her posts, and you can get Julia's stuff in your feed. All right, that wraps up our intro to peaked.com. Remember to follow Hive People. If you have any questions, just please tag us on Twitter at Hive People. And you can follow us on Hive, which is on thepeak.com, at Hive People. Over and out. Until the next tutorial, Hive on.